Hey guys, Lau here, the Affiliate Education Manager.
Hello everyone, I'm Maria, the Content Manager from the Conversion Support Team. So Slava, what do you have in mind for our next webinar?
Well, advertising budgets are soaring, so it's a sure sign for approaching holidays.
Exactly, Black Friday is coming and also Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's Eve, Cyber Monday, all of this is ahead.
Yes, you're right, we'll be talking about e-commerce, so that's precisely why we thought it would be a good idea to show you the top GEOs and the vital stats.
We will show you how to generate valuable leads when the competition is heating up in a major way.
Yes, everyone will be launching campaigns. We have prepared some quick campaign tips to stay afloat on the busiest season of the year.
How to find high-converting CPA offers, schedule campaigns, set up the targeting. What else?
And choosing ad formats for your e-commerce offers and building a funnel. And of course, we shed light on the best creative.
And finally, we'll show you some real-life case studies.
Yes, you will have a chance to ask your burning questions about e-commerce to us.
See you on the 26th of November at 1 PM GMT time. Make sure you register as soon as possible.
See you!
Bye!